I have a special lens, but it don't fit. No, it's not for the full moon that we see right now. I'm trying it out soon so I can see all these lights. May not flare. I know my answer already. It's kind of difficult to put on because you see the vignetting around. But there is the light. There is the flare right there. And you got little circles. What a failure this was. Hey, I'm fish. Yeah, that lens was for an old camera. And man, it did its job in the sun. A UV protector. And I'd take all those UV rays out and make everything look so crisp and clear. Remember the days of Polar Pro? Their glare little circle that you just bring into the camera's lens on the inside, a piece of film? And that took all the glare away as well. It's like saying, just put a polarized lens on and that'd do the trick. It'd make your blues blue and all that good stuff. Would a CPL lens work that you adjust? I'm not sure CPL may get those flares away, but I'm not going to go buy today all these lenses. I'll tell you why. To me, they're a gadget to a camera until the camera itself could supply a number of lenses. What happens when you get all these accessories and a new camera comes, and what do? They change the ring style by a millimeter plus, and you're stuck with all these accessories. I'm not out to do that again. In my last vlog or two, I said I like the lens flare. It gives it spunk. Oh yeah, man, I watched an old picture from the 70s, early 80s. And let me tell you, it had a lens flare and it looked awesome. There's always one in the group and one's got to agree. And I don't care what they say because you can always correct it. A couple of vlogs ago, I did some 960p, 960p slow motion in the camera. Not 4K. Showed on my editor, 1080p. What gives with that? Wouldn't you want to keep the original 4K 120? Just slow motion it down and have the benefits of 4K video with sound as well. Now man, if I could have zoomed in and get a nice clear shot of that full moon, I'll be happy. But that light takes it all away. So we're on latest firmware. We can't downgrade or do anything else until a new firmware comes to the market. This is V01020330. Super night, not a super moon. Brightens up the shot, gives a nice shot to what you see. Does a nice job, makes everything nice and bright. I taken my video mode of 1:200, which you've seen on all the videos. It makes me just a little darker for the daytime. And here I am with 1/100th over 8,000. And that gives me close to what I want. If I lower it down and I'm walking, I don't want my videos to be jittery like I see on a colleague's video. And he mentioned my name, and I thank my gig user for the shout out. And he needs to maybe adjust his shutter so anything that he's doing and walking hard and fast, and he's going with his pooch, that may cause his jitters as well. I'm on the lowest shutter speed because I'm on 60th frames per second. And I could lower it down to 1/30th and bring everything down and maybe give my video a lot brighter look. I won't be as jittery. But you want to be over the 1/100th to stop the jitterness. So all this fooling around with the resolution, taking off a 4K 60 that everybody loves for low light today, because that's the improvement of the camera. I'm on 4K at 24 frames per second with 1/100th through 8000, and that should give me my smooth video walking and slow everything down, let more light in for that cinematic look. How does that sky look to you? I didn't say light, the sky. Because in front of me, it's really getting bright. And this is nice and blue. I'll turn it around so you can see the front of the sky. Let the car pass so you get a perfect shot, the front of the sky. Peachy it is, and the color's coming. I gotta meet with Joe later. And Joe's gonna help me out, but I haven't really gone through with it. I know if I do it now, forward, everything will be better. And I may make a video about what I'm gonna do. Can you do me a favor? I remember 160, 160. How about 588? So what's 588 and 160? 748 steps. I gotta remember 748 steps. And that's a walk around the park. Now I have a treadmill and I don't do 748 steps. I do it to 10, and that's the calorie count. I don't even get to the 1/10 of a mile on it. And I'm not even sure how many minutes. I do maybe 5 minutes of walking, and that's nothing. And I don't do it a lot. I just do it enough to say, hey, I had a good walk on a treadmill. It's a stand-up treadmill with no handles, and it's small. So I take small steps. I think I did about 3,000 steps around. And what do I got? Another 7,000 to go, because they say to take 10,000 steps each day. And I'm not riding my bike today because, like I said, the leaves, they get slippery and it's cold, and the floor could be black ice when it's this temperature. Remember the last time I said weather?
It's currently clear and 43 degrees.
What is it going to be today?
Expect some clear skies today.
Read the temperature today. It says 61. Am I supposed to look at the phone?
The high temperature today will be 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and the low will be 42 degrees Fahrenheit.
Man, that's not Siri. That's a computer. When you talk to it, artificial intelligence today, it doesn't know as much. And can't have a conversation with AI yet. Oh, sure you can. Well, the Insta360H Pro is AI, right? Hey, fish. You do what you want.
Talk
there,
about the
fish.
Insta360
Don't let that other
Ace
guy
Pro.
tell you what to do.
We're up to the Ace Pro 2 today.
I remember the days I used to do cloning in magix. Powerdirector, man, just poof, go right across like that, put your 3 videos on there. Man, it was so much fun. Today, all the fun's taken out of it. Just put a mask and go, woo! Don't move the camera, you're good. You're gonna get a nice story told. For example, you're gonna do a minute count, a video, and you're just gonna sit here the rest. Let the other one talk. I used to be able to be good at cloning and putting in videos and doing split conversation. You have to pick a spot where nobody's around and go about. So I'm gonna go pick a spot here and do a little sample test. I'm just gonna do it 2 people. Shouldn't be that hard. Make 3 video clips. Make the first one long. Don't talk, say something in the middle. Make it long, Don't say anything.
What the hell is he saying?
And come in when the center
See
one's
no
finished.
evil, speak
It's
no
all
evil,
about
hear no
timing.
evil.
Let him have his moment. I'll see how that skit came out. It wasn't great. I'm gonna grab you. It's time for me to head on out. I had my fun, had my share. I hope you enjoyed what I taught. I'm not that great in things I do, but I'm a jack of all trades, and I got something that I did with what I got and got it done. And I didn't throw it out because I'm not gonna go find myself a repair patch kit and find a hole, mark it down, and maybe I'll patch it up and put it away for another rainy day. Unbelievable, man. So, I hope you enjoy your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Not many people love the camera, they like the Action 4, and yeah, sales are coming, and they're gonna get the best sales around. They've already been low. I don't think they could go any lower than it is. So yeah, watch out for those deals, man. You'll be happy that you got one. Mr. Squirrel, are you gonna get one? Or you're just gonna pass it on by? Do you chase Mr. Squirrel? He runs on the opposite side of the tree, man. If you try to go around to the other side, he'll just go on the other side. And you'd be circling him around and he'd be already gone. I had a nice chat, nice talk, nice walk, nice share. I kind of said, I said a lot, shit a lot, showed a lot, showed some. I'm about out of here, about to pack it up, about to wrap it up, about to get on going. Joe's gonna be meeting me, and we're gonna have a good time. I got some plans, I got some things, I got things to take care of, and I wanna get them done. And some of them are good, some of them are all right, some of them are so-so. Well, I am Fish. Time for me to get on going. And I'll catch you on the next show. I'll see you later, alligator.